So guys, this is a statement based question and we need to find which one of these statements are true. Now let's start with statement 1. So statement 1 is minimize using K-map may not provide unique solution. Let's understand with one example. We take a same K-map for our example and we will take a different pairing for first we will pair something like this, and for second we will, for same K-map we will pair something like this. For first pairing we will get this pair will be minimized as a bar b bar, this pair will be minimized as a c, and this pair will be minimized as a b c bar here. So we will get answer as a minimization answer is a bar b bar plus b c bar plus ac, and here if we minimize these three pair here, so we will get b bar c plus, so and minimization of same K-map with different pairing will be answer will minimization of second K-map with different pairing we will get answer as a b plus b bar c plus a bar c. Now we can see here both of them are different from each other because of we take a different style of pairing here. So first statement is true, K-map don't provide unique solution every time. So same K-map with same min terms are given different answer of minimization. Now for second statement, redundant grouping in K-map may result in non-minimized solution. Let's again understand with the one example. Here in first example we will don't do redundant grouping, in second example we will do redundant grouping and see if any change our minimization property or not. So in first we will take once at a third cell position, second cell position, fifth cell position and seventh cell position, and we will choose two pairs like third and second is a first pair, fifth and seventh cell is our second pair. So it will be minimized as a AC here, and first pair will be minimized as a bar b. So answer of without using redundant grouping we will be get a bar b plus AC. Now here in second we will do this two pair same, and now we will do this one is a redundant grouping because it is overlapping this one which we already cover in one pair, and this pair redundant grouping is not necessary, so it will be minimized as a BC. Here we can see we don't get our minimized form of our equation, Boolean equation, and without using redundant grouping we get minimized Boolean equation. So second option is also true because it's it is. Now for third option, don't care state if used in K-map for minimization, minimal solution is not obtained. Now we will check with two example. In first example without using don't care, and second example we use don't care in same condition. So here we have don't care at 6 cell in both of the K-map. Now we will first make only two pairs like third and second with cells, and second pair will be fifth and seventh cell, and we don't use don't care right now. So we will get second pair will be minimized as a AC and first pair will be minimized as a bar b. So minimize answer of without using don't care will be a bar b plus AC. Now we will use don't care in second case, so we will make a quad which will be minimize our min term more, and it will be minimized as only b here. Here we will eliminate a bar from this pair. Now second pair will be same as second pair of this first example, so fifth and seventh cell, and it will be minimized as a AC. So we will get b plus AC as answer, which is more minimized version than without using don't care. So third statement is a wrong one. With use of don't care in K-map we will get more minimal solution than without using don't care. So answer of this question is first statement is true, second statement is true, and third statement is false. So first and second statement is only true, so option D is a right answer for this question.